My master just woke me up. I'm so tired. Ooh, what's that? I'm itchy and tired, and I'm a lion. Yep, going up. Stretching. Give me a close-up. Wait, there's a camera? Man, I was playing right along to this. I didn't even know there was a camera. Stupid humans thinking I'm gonna fall for that. I'll just hide. They'll never catch me on film. Is it brushing time? Right there. If you're gonna film me, get my face on camera. What project are you now? I'm pretty much drunk right now. Too much brushing. Look, the brush is right there. No, I can't do it. Too cute to fall for all this nonsense. I'm pretty tired. I'm just hiding from the camera. I can't have my tired face on the camera. Should probably post it under social media sites, what they call it these days. It's despicable. I just woke up and I look a mess. I'm really hungry. I just ate, but I have a huge stomach. And my master's staring at me. I'll just stare at you. No, itch. Ouch. I'm mad at my owners. They posted a video of me on this site called YouTube, as they call it. They did it without my permission. And squirrel! I love chasing squirrels. I'm like a dog. Is that a squirrel? Is it? Is it? I have to try to control myself. I need a bath. Yeah, I'll just lick myself later. I hate getting baths from my owner. It's so annoying. I'm really tired. Turn the camera off. Now. End it, or you will never be allowed to pet me again. I'll just go. Okay, I'll end it. As you wish, pumpkin.